Hi, today we are going to discuss about health benefits of mint leaves. Here are some mint benefits you may not have known. 1. Aids digestion. Mint can work wonders for almost all your digestive woes. According to the book, Healing Foods, by DK Publishing, menthol, which is the active oil in the mint, has antiseptic and antibacterial properties that help relieve indigestion and also soothe an upset stomach. 2. Treats asthma. Consumption of mint has also been linked with bringing in soothing effect for asthmatic patients. Mint is loaded with anti-inflammatory properties. It is a good relaxant and relieves congestion. However, make sure you don't overdo your mint dosage, else it may irritate your air passages. 3. Treats common cold. Struggling with nasty cold and finding it difficult to focus and breathe? Try mint. Yes, there is a reason why your Vapo rubs and inhalers are often available in mint. Mint is known to clear congestion of the nose, throat, bronchi, and lungs. In addition to the respiratory channels, mint's anti-inflammatory properties also relieve the irritation caused by chronic coughing. 4. Cures headache. As mentioned earlier, mint is a decently strong adaptogenic herb. According to the book, Healing Foods, mint may help cure headaches too. The strong and refreshing aroma of mint could help ease headaches. Balms with a mint base or basic mint oil, when rubbed on the forehead and nose, are effective in curing headaches and nausea. 5. Oral care. Picture this: you have a presentation to make and you have just tucked in a gobi paratha and garlic chutney. You cannot be entering the presentation room with a tainted breath now, can you? Chewing on mint tablets or mint leaves could help freshen your breath instantly due to the presence of germicidal properties. It also does wonders for our overall oral health. It inhibits bacterial growth inside the mouth, and cleanses the plaque deposition on teeth. This is the very reason why so many of the toothpastes in the market also come in mint base. 6. Aids weight loss. Mint could also play its own sweet role in weight loss, and the reason is tied with its much-famed digestive properties. Mint stimulates digestive enzymes, which help facilitate better absorption of nutrients from food. When the body is able to assimilate and absorb nutrients properly, there is better metabolism. A faster metabolism aids weight loss. 7. Improves brain power. Mint could also rev up your brain power. According to various studies, consuming mint may up alertness, retention, and cognitive functions. One of the studies also tied effects of mint consumption with better memory retention. 8. Skin care. Mint is a traditional remedy for treating acne and pimples. It has potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which work wonders on acne-prone skin. Mint leaves contain a high content of salicylic acid, which is excellent in combating acne action too. The juice obtained from mint works as an effective skin cleanser. The high quantum of antioxidants also help prevent free radical activity, giving you clearer and youthful skin. You can use mint in the form of face masks as well. Combine crushed mint leaves and honey. Apply on your skin and leave for 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water. 9. Help ease symptoms of morning sickness or nausea. Mint is an excellent remedy to treat nausea. It is also effective for treating nausea that happens in morning sickness. According to Shilpa Arora, eating a few leaves or smelling some leaves of mint every morning could help expecting mothers to get past the nauseous feeling and cope better. 10. Beats stress and depression. Mint is an essential part of aromatherapy. Its strong and refreshing smell could help beat stress and rejuvenate mind. Mint has adaptogenic properties that regulate cortisol levels and boost the body's natural resilience to stress. Adaptogens help balance the body in whatever way is needed. By breathing in the aroma of mint, your mind is instantly calmed. According to studies, it also helps release small amount of serotonin in the brain that may help beat depression. You can add mint to your tea, use mint extract on a vaporizer, or draw yourself a mint bath for immediate relief. If you find this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and share this to your friends. I'll see you on my next video soon.